There's a common misconception here in Georgia that roofing is seasonal, when in fact, roofing is done year-round. Let's talk about how we can make that happen and why it's a good idea. Winter in Georgia can be mild compared to other parts of the country. While we do get colder temperatures, the conditions are often perfect for roofing, especially on clear, dry days. Dry weather is the most important factor. We also look for days when temperatures stay above 40 degrees to allow roofing materials like shingles to seal properly, and of course, there can't be any snow or ice. Getting your roof replaced in the winter gives you peace of mind knowing you've eliminated the risk of leaks from snow or ice, and your home will be ready to handle those spring rains without a problem. Plus, winter is typically a slower season, so you'll likely save money compared to the busier months like spring through fall. Our highly trained teams know how to handle the unique challenges of winter roofing, from proper material handling to ensuring every detail is just right during the shorter winter days. Need a new roof this winter? Contact us at Accent Roofing Service today. With over 35 years of experience, we're committed to doing the job right. Accent Roofing Service, we're on top of it.